Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Keyless2Go replacement key fob. If you've ever experienced the frustration of losing or breaking your car key fob, you know how important it is to have a reliable replacement on hand. That's where Keyless2Go steps in, offering a seamless solution to get you back on the road in no time. What sets the Keyless2Go replacement key fob apart is its ease of use. With DIY programming instructions included, you can save time and money by programming the key fob from the comfort of your own home. No need for a trip to the dealership or a locksmith. Simply follow the step-by-step guide or watch the instructional video provided. Compatibility is another key feature of the Keyless2Go replacement key fob. Designed to work with a wide range of vehicles from Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, and Hummer, you can check the fitment tool to ensure it's the perfect match for your car. Plus, with pre-testing to guarantee quality and functionality, you can trust that your replacement key fob is ready to go right out of the box. Let's talk specifics. This key fob replacement features 3 buttons for seamless access to your vehicle. And with the included batteries, you can start using it right away without any additional purchases. Compact in size, it's designed to fit comfortably in your hand or pocket, making it a convenient addition to your daily routine. In terms of compatibility, the Keyless2Go replacement key fob covers a range of part numbers, including FCC ID, LHJ011 and various others. So whether you're replacing a lost key fob or simply looking for a spare, this versatile option has you covered. Overall, the Keyless2Go replacement key fob offers a hassle-free solution to your car key needs. With easy programming, wide compatibility, and reliable performance, it's a must-have accessory for any vehicle owner. Say goodbye to the stress of lost or broken key fobs. Keyless2Go has you covered. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and tutorials. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.